What a beautiful day! It's a beautiful winter day. So, I'm taking advantage of it by going on a motorcycle ride to go get some barbecue. And this weather is nice. It's probably about upper 50s to low 60s, but if I had to put my money on it, I'd say it's lower 50s, upper 50s, temperature wise. Yeah, so I was working today, early today. Just the weather is so nice. I was like, I gotta go out for a motorcycle ride today. Also, figured it'd be a great time to go try out a new barbecue spot. It's called Sweatman's BBQ. It's a place I've been seeing about online. I've seen several videos, seen some news articles, and they seem to be quite known in the barbecue world. So I'm gonna go check them out. Just let you guys know my speedometer right here, you guys can already tell, is out of order. It's nothing I've gotten fixed yet. I've been slack, haven't done it. But then again, this ain't no real speed demon, so I don't have to worry about getting a speeding ticket in this. Usually I just ride with the flow of traffic. But ideally, I need to have that speedometer fixed. It's likely the speedometer cable is just broken. But I tell you what, I love this little Rebel. I absolutely love it. Thing's a fun ride. Get 70 miles to the gallon. See, this is why I like going to country roads. John and Linda Harkins, the country store, an old pump. It's a cool spot. Very cool. And I'm off. But yeah, that was a cool little pit stop. It's one of the many reasons why I enjoy these country roads versus the interstate. Another little spot. Old house. Hey, motorcycle. Nice to see another fellow rider out on two wheels. Oh, I'm not the only one taking advantage of the beautiful weather today. Hello, motorcycle riders. Hello, hello. Gotta slow down now. It's the speed limit, city limit. Do 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 do. Down. Cool little town there. Oh, that house. Woo! Nice. Wow, look at this house coming up on the left-hand side. Woo! That's probably an old house. That's a plantation house, I'm sure. Oh boy, look at that house. That's something nice. Woo! Possibly think I see the barbecue place. There it is on the right hand side. Sure enough. Just arrived over here at Sweatman's Barbecue. Nice little location they got here. I like this front porch. Very nice. Looks like an older home. But I'm looking forward to the barbecue. Definitely. Like I said, I've been hearing about this place. Ready to give it a taste. So let's go inside and have some barbecue. Alright, so here is my plate of food. I have some baked beans, some mac and cheese, rib, some dark pulled pork, some light pulled pork, and some banana pudding. Alright, so here is round two. Got some more mac and cheese. Stuff's delicious. Their pulled pork is real good. And I'm gonna get to try their chicken. It's a big plate. Hope I can finish it all. Off. Well, almost off. Soon as this vehicle's not in front of me anymore. Well, that was some good barbecue. Very glad I went. Like I said, that place had some really good barbecue. Their mac and cheese was awesome. Absolutely awesome. Barbecue was good. Definitely like the sauces. They had the dark meat, pulled pork. They also had some of the light meat, white meat, pulled pork. Man, what a great ride. There goes that old house again. Old country store.